call your name out. You're safe. Step forward and accept the rose from Melissa. If you do not hear your name, you'll be leaving us immediately. Good luck. Gwen.
Is that clean? Is that clean?
Go back.
Is that clean? I don't know why.
Final words.
I'm just angry. Like, I'm not upset. I'm not going to cry. I'm just angry. I was told one thing and voted a certain way because of it. I laid my faith in saying that now because they're impossible to break because no one has the guts to break them. In this competition, you guys are the strongest pack in this house, and no one has had the guts to separate you guys. And that's why each of us are going home.
Wes, final words.
I had a hell of a time. Hey. Later. Nice to meet you. Take care. I know.
Marco.
Sorry,
Bye-bye.
classic, but you know, I call it like you with them. David made me feel safe. And I was completely vulnerable.
Good luck. Go get that kitty. Go get that kitty.
I don't know how long it'll take me to get over what Dave did tonight. I do hold grudge, and I feel like what Dave did tonight was unacceptable, and I feel like it was just a thing to do with somebody who you call.
I bet you Christy Lee voted for me to go home. You know, because she thought Dave and Kovacs and Kim had her back. They're going to find themselves on the next limo ride out of here. It's sad, but it's true. You want my word to happen.
Coming up next week on Bachelor Pad.
I'm definitely glad that
I feel like they need some good and clean competition. If you're getting a relationship with Kipton, all of a sudden it's going to be going like that.
Everything